1987 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS. And let me slip around to the side here so you can see Aero Coupe. One of 6,052 produced back in 1987. Black and burgundy paint scheme on the exterior with a maroon interior. Actual mile car, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, 38,958 on the odometer right now. And as you can see, black paint has a nice finish to it, nice shine. Now granted, it is black. If you look around, you may find a spot that has been touched up, or one little one there I noticed. As you can see, very minute. Check out that reflection in the hood of the sign on the wall behind us. This vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That's included in the purchase, and that may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. High output, 5-liter underneath the hood, or 305. 200 R4, automatic transmission with overdrive, power steering, power brakes, AC. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. That'll take you right to our website where you can check out all the still pictures, over 120 pictures of this car online. Underside, interior, engine bay, and as you can see, the paint up and down that passenger side, also nice shape, free of any major nicks, dings, scratches that I've noticed. Interior, of course, cloth bucket seats, center console for the shifter. AM, FM, electronic or digital radio, that is working. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. If you notice when we looked at that interior, obviously a T-top car, and that does come with the GM T-top bags. And you can see it pictured both ways, with the T-tops in and with them out. Of course, there's that rear window design, making it the Aero Coupe. Harkens back to the NASCAR days. uniqueclassiccars.com. Again, just click on that link down below this video in the description. You're seeing it on YouTube, so it can take you right there. Look at that reflection. Row of cars behind us. Get a good look at the driver's side. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. Again, just a little over 38,000 miles on this is all. And clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Armrest, look at the lack of wear there. Any sort of soil in your staining. Power windows, power locks, remote mirror. Seats, free of rips, tears, holes, piping sticking out just a tad bit on the bottom. Original carpet and floor mats. Tilt column cruise control. There's your exact miles, 38,958. Start this up. Tack works. There's the rest of the other gauges are working. Radio working fine. Top of the dash. Well, this car was stored indoors, no doubt about that. No cracking or checking or discoloration on the dash. Slip around to the back so you hear this run. Of course, rear wheel drive G-body. Sounds as it should. Doesn't sound like there's any major modifications to the exhaust. I'm going to slip up to the front, pause this a second. I'm going to pop this hood, check out the engine bay, and we'll wrap up this video. Underside of the hood. There it is. High output, 5-liter, 305 cubic inches. That is paired up with the automatic with overdrive transmission, 200 R4, power steering, power brakes, AC. There's a battery disconnect over here. Looks pretty stock underneath here also. Looks like any major modifications. Sounds good. Looks good. If you've been looking for one of these Aero Coupes, give us a call. These never seem to last long when we get them in. 1987 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS Aero Coupe. clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, low miles. Remember that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included with the purchase. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1987 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. This is a T-top car, and we do have the T-tops out right now. Good factory stereo. The blower motor does work on this car. The wipers do work. Very good acceleration from this Monte Carlo SS. Smooth running Monte Carlo. The cruise control does work. Our fuel gauge is reading half. The volts are charging over 13. Temperature is just rising off of 100 right now, and oil pressure is about 40 or 50. Factory tachometer working great. If I let go of the wheel, it stays nice and straight in the lane. Comfortable cloth bucket seats, excellent brakes. Corners well, doesn't lean in the corners. Very nice condition. Burgundy on the inside. This is the Aero Coupe. You don't see a lot of them with this back window. A bit on the rare side. Very good handling Monte Carlo SS. Check it out at Unique Classic.